This is the new Redmi K60 Ultra. The device has been launched yesterday in China with a really competitive price tag and flagship grade features. First and foremost, let's have a quick unboxing experience. So here's the device. As you can see, there's a giant camera island on the back that has slopes on both the sides to give it a unique look. The device is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, which is quite good for its price. There is a 6.67-inch centered punch hole OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate here. The screen offers a 2880Hz PWM frequency and a 2600 nits peak brightness level. The Redmi K60 Ultra is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset paired with up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Yes, you heard right, it has a variant with 24GB RAM and 1TB of whopping storage. That too under $500 price tag if we convert the Chinese price into USD. As for software, it boots MIUI 14 based on Android 13. For optics, the phone uses a triple camera system on the rear comprising an OIS assisted 50MP Sony IMX800 primary sensor, an 8MP ultra wide unit and a 2MP macro snapper. On the front, it has a 20MP shooter. Other features of the device include dual stereo speakers, an IR blaster, an X-axis vibration motor, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and finally it draws energy from a 5000 mAh battery with support for 120W fast wired charging. As you can see, the company provided the fast charger in the box along with the cable. So do let us know if you liked our quick and sweet unboxing coverage on this Redmi K60 Ultra. If you will subscribe us, we will get that motivation to keep covering the latest smartphones and deliver the content as fast as possible. So do subscribe now and enable the bell icon, and we will see you in the next one.